Chapter 12, The Empathetic Edge, Building Trust Through Genuine Connection. Ahoy, copywriting connoisseurs! In this crucial chapter, we're setting sail on the winds of empathy, the gentle breeze that carries our words straight to the hearts of our audience. Prepare yourselves, for we're about to embark on a voyage of understanding, where we'll learn to build trust through genuine connection and heartfelt empathy. Now, you might be wondering what exactly is empathy, and why is it so important in copywriting? Well, my friends, empathy is more than just putting ourselves in someone else's shoes. It's about truly understanding their hopes, fears, and desires, and showing them that we care. But fear not, for empathy is not some elusive trait reserved for saints and sages. No, it's a skill that anyone can cultivate with practice and intention. So how do we cultivate empathy in our copywriting? It all starts with really listening to our audience. By paying attention to their words, their tone, and their body language, we can gain valuable insights into their thoughts and feelings, allowing us to craft copy that speaks directly to their needs and desires. But listening alone is not enough. We must also show genuine concern for our audience's well-being. Whether it's through words of encouragement, expressions of support, or offers of assistance, our job as copywriters is to demonstrate that we truly care about our audience and want to help them achieve their goals. And let's not forget the power of authenticity, the secret weapon in every empathetic copywriter's arsenal. By being genuine and sincere in our communications, we can build trust and credibility with our audience, laying the foundation for long-lasting relationships built on mutual respect and understanding. But remember, my fellow empathizers, empathy is not just a tool for making sales, it's a way of being in the world. We must always act with integrity and authenticity, ensuring that our words and actions reflect our genuine concern for the well-being of our audience. So let us set forth on this noble quest, my friends, armed with nothing but our empathy and our unwavering commitment to building trust through genuine connection. Together, we'll create copy that speaks straight to the hearts of our audience and builds bridges of understanding that stand the test of time. Are you ready to unlock the power of empathy and build trust with your audience like never before? Then let's set sail on this voyage of understanding and emerge victorious on the shores of genuine connection and heartfelt empathy.